Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get a custom cursor in Roblox. First, get the cursor you want. We'll use OSU Skinner. Pick any cursor you like. Click Download. This gives you a zip file. You can find it in your Downloads folder or Recent Downloads. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. If you can't extract, install 7-zip or WinRAR. When extracted, you'll see a folder with your cursor file. You can delete the zip file now. Now we'll add it to Roblox. Search Roblox in your Start menu, right-click Roblox Player, and open the file location. Right-click Roblox Player again, and open the file location again. Scroll up, open the Content folder, then Textures, then Cursors. Open the Keyboard Mouse folder. Create a new folder here and name it Backup. Move Arrow Cursor and Arrow Far Cursor into Backup. Copy your new cursor file. Paste it into the Keyboard Mouse folder. Rename it Arrow Cursor. Next, paste it again and rename it Arrow Far Cursor. If you want to replace other cursors, delete the original and paste your file with the exact same name. Close the folder, reopen Roblox, and your new cursor should be there. Thanks for watching.